Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create an Apple ID in 2026. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you want to create your own Apple ID, so let's see how you can do that. Very first, I recommend you have to check some settings to prevent any kind of issue. So you just have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. And after that, you have to open your settings app, go for general, go for software update, and try to update your software. If you find a pending update here, you just have to try to update your software. Then simply go back and go to VPN and device management, and you have to simply make sure that you haven't any VPN connected. If you're connected to any VPN, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you just have to go back, tap on your Apple account here, and then select don't have an Apple account. Now from here, you have to simply select your age range. Let's say I'm gonna select this one here. And here you have to enter your name and date of birth. So once you have entered your name, you just have to try to enter your date of birth. And after entering your name and date of birth, you select this continue option here. And here you have to enter your email address. So after entering your Gmail address or your mail address, you just have to tap on this continue option here and just wait for the loading. And here on this screen, you just have to try to create a strong password. Here, in order to creating a password, you just have to keep in mind these steps, that the password must be at least 8 characters, include a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. So let's say I'm gonna create one here. And once you have entered your password, you just have to tap on this continue option. Or here, you just have to try to enter your phone number. So here, enter your phone number, and then you just have to select in which way you want to verify your phone number. You can try to get a text message or a phone call. So let's say I'm going to select a text message from here. Then tap on this continue option. And here, you just have to wait for the text message received on your phone number you have entered. So after entering your OTP or the verification code, you just have to select or agree to the terms and conditions of Apple account, and just tap on this agree option here. And here your account will be created. Now you just have to wait for this loading here. Just wait for that, and here just select this continue option. Here as you can see that previous data will be removed from this iPhone. If you want to remove all of the previous data, so you can select this continue option, or you can also select this other options here if you don't want to remove your data. So let's say I'm gonna select this other options here, and then select continue anyway and merge. Just select that option here, and then select confirm and merge option. So in this way, your data will not be removed from your iPhone, or your Apple ID will be easily created. Now I just wait for this loading here, and you will get on your profile page. So here you have to try to enter your iPhone passcode, and after that just wait for this loading until it's complete. So in this way, you can easily create a new Apple ID in your iPhone or any iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.